Alright, so currently driving it, I've got a OBD2 little diagnostic dealie that I had in the truck, and then I had an app on my phone, so I pulled it. P0191 code stored, and that is a fuel pressure code. It's definitely pulled power from me, and we're just kind of cruising along. Luckily it's all side streets that are slow, but heading to the dealer right now to get this looked at and see what we got. I did not clear the codes because data needs to be seen, so just limping it along, and I will see what we got going on. Alright, so there it is right there. Truck is fixed. It's been in regen for a week. So a week ago I got the ECM put in, which repaired the issue. All the diagnostics for the P0191 code. It led to the fuel pressure sensor. You go to the connector, you check the connector, and I mean right off the bat you could see an issue with the connector visibly. Then you do pin tension on it with the little tool, and you can tell that there was an issue with the connector itself, and then there was also an issue with ECM because we weren't getting the right voltage as the diag had gone through. So new ECM, new connector, regen for a week. Hopefully the truck's back to normal. I've noticed for the past week that it's definitely had some terrible fuel mileage, anywhere from like 15 to 20, and this is cruising on the highway when normally we would be seeing like 40 to 50 instant. You know, it wasn't there. It was definitely low. So it's been in regen. I pulled up the GDS2 to see when the last regen was, and it said 35 miles ago, which makes sense because I've been driving it, and it's recently started to feel better. And let's hope that's the end of the issues, but it is concerning because that connector was messed up. It was definitely not looking good. So who knows what the other connectors look like. If there's any other issues with those connectors, I don't know. Do we have a lemon behind us? Let's hope not. This one left me hanging though. So if you get a P0191 code in your truck, 3.0 Duramax, go check out that connector. Take a look at number 3. Number 3 was the one that just looked like somebody had just gone in there with an ice pick and just jammed in and jammed. I was the first one in there, so that shouldn't have been the case, and that's what I saw in there. So new ECM, new connector, running. Let's hope for the best.